हेलो गाइस, अस्सलामुअलैकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. ये दिस वन Nissan petrol 4WD from Actuator motors. Nissan petrol 4WD. How to you can fix the RTD process system? Simply this one looks. Neo motors for this one 4WD. This one 4WD Nissan petrol. Let's go how can change this one component easy process. Before I take one screw 40T star like 40T. This one rolls 40T. This one 40T star screw rolls one paper clip. Come, let's go how to change this one. This one motor, this one 4 actuator motors looks. This one same motor here, the same 4 screw 1 2 3 4 screw. This one open this. Four screw here, one. This one. Kena start bilang? Kena start bilang? Sabar. Four screw open and looks okay. Take this one. Cover clips. Okay, open this one. Fixing this one. Center place. Okay. Cut down. Same place. This one not moving here inside, right, left, right. Same place, same adjustment, and same motor things. Same. Okay. This is simple process. Magnet দূরে ফেলো, লাইক দূরে। Finish this one. Nice. Looks. From this one, start. 4W that not have now. All the system okay. Now I check before I given the gear is neutral, again neutral position, and looks this one, alpha position. Okay. Now four-wheel drive is okay. Looks 4-wheel drive is on. Easy. This one light. Okay. Look, light, traction light is coming. Traction is coming. That means 4WD is working. And now I disconnected. This is connected. This one. That is gone. And this one properly working for WD. You need before this one N. Gear is on position and position N, not D and not V. N position and this working. L position. Okay, this one L position. Now folded drive is open and working. Is light is on. Light is traction light is on. Okay, now I close this one, let it go. Okay, this one is so good. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.